What's up, everybody? DeAngelo here. Hope you guys are having a fantastic day. And I wanted to make this video for you guys on drop servicing. So, a lot of people talk about drop shipping, but not many people talk about drop servicing. And it is extremely easy. Like, it works just about the exact same way as drop shipping, just minus the physical product, right? So, as you guys can see right here, I got a couple of examples for you. So, this is one that I got today. This was a $5,000 order, and out of that, I'm gonna get 3,500 in profit. Not bad at all. These $250 ones, that's just all me because I do this myself. And then this one right here, I'm gonna walk away about 800 something in profit off of this one. So, if you guys haven't heard of Code Cannon, also before I even get started, if you are in the Team DeAngelo course, just go to the drop shipping portion or the Cash App portion. This is literally all 100% walk through all the steps and everything on how to actually do this. No whiteboard. But anyway, back to the topic at hand here. So, Codecan, if you haven't been over there, it's basically a website where you can go to. They got PHP scripts, they got apps, they got software, like everything that you can think of, and then you can resell it. Right now, of course, you have to pay for it, and there's like a lot of stuff that you can like get like those AI websites, stuff like that. Even some products you guys have probably seen me promote in the past. Now, the issue with that is that normally they always have some type of bug. There's some type of issue, so you have to pay someone else to fix it and all this other stuff. 99.9% of the time, you're going to have to pay them to fix it or pay for them to do something. It's never going to work freshly out the box, ever. Right? And then their service, depending on who you're buying for, normally sucks too. I mean, their support. But anyway, how this works is you are going to go out to, well, I mainly focus on three. So you can do paid ads, TikTok, or Craigslist. Craigslist is actually amazing. That's how I got these two sales, like right here. These 250 ones normally come from Craigslist, and this one also came from Craigslist. All right, so once you do that, that's how you're going to get your customers, and you're going to send them to your website. And your website is essentially just going to be a landing page where they can make a payment, where they can find out all your information about it. Basically, you're just going to have your entire website about whatever service that you choose to do. Now, this could be offline service. This could be an online service. Like, you could literally have it where people, like, let's say you go to Google right now in your area, and you type in iPhone screen repair, and you find a local guy. It has to be a local guy, like someone who does this out of his car or something like that. Someone who does it in their house. It has to be one of those type of people to do this, right? So, basically, let's say this guy charges $80 to fix an iPhone screen or whatever the case may be, right? So then you are then going to make a website, and you can promote it with paid ads, and then you're going to charge, let's say, 130 or whatever. However much it costs for it. You have to do a little bit of research, obviously, to see how much the average screen repair is for each phone and all that fun stuff. But once you do all that, you get your prices all set, and you would find out what your profit is or what you can make, and then you will literally have your paid ads going. They go to your website, they place the order for the 130. You would then take the phone that they sent to you in the mail to this guy right here. He fixes the phone, and then you send it back to the customer. Done. Just like that. All right? And then you would pocket, in this scenario, if everything went, let's just say $40, all right, because of shipping or whatever possible thing that comes. Let's just say even $40, and you didn't have to do anything but literally just pick the phone up, take it to this guy, and it could be, like I said, multiple phones. So he's winning because you're giving him multiple phones, and and then the customer's happy because again they're not gonna have to pay iFixit or whatever it is, like $500 to get it. So it's a win-win all around, and then you get money just for literally basically putting this over here to this guy. Done. And a lot of these guys right here, which is why I say you go to them, they don't promote online. They don't have a website. They don't run any ads. They just focus solely on their local area. They only probably promote on Craigslist. Like, this is the guy you want to go to because you can give him consistent business. He's going to do good work for you. And then, of course, again, you don't have to do anything. All right, so that's pretty much how that would work. And that's like one that you can do offline. Now, you can do website building. You can do, you can call like a firm and like, hey, if I send a couple of clients your way or whatnot, how much would you pay me? Like, there's like a bunch of different things that you you could do. Now, with the firm thing, you probably have to find one that's like gigantic. Well, depends on how you promote. Because obviously, if you're doing paid ads, you can target that area. If you're doing Craigslist, you can target that area. But if you're promoting like on TikTok and you're doing like organic traffic, you can't like. There's nothing you can really do to control that right there. But yeah, you guys get the point when it comes to like drop servicing. It's extremely simple, and the main thing you need to focus on is just getting traffic to this website. So I would say focus on um, lower ticket stuff. You know, depending on I say what your goal is. I would say if you just want to see a sale, just see like, oh, this works. Focus on something that's a little bit lower. You can do like AI stuff and just do like a referral thing, or you can go like I said to Code Cannon. You can get a whole AI website built out where you can do all type of stuff with it. Like here is one right here. Like I don't even promote this, and I just literally use it myself. Like, no, that's not it. All right, so yeah, this is one right here. This is my website. I literally like got it 100% like just for me. Like I don't tell anyone to go and sign up to this. Nothing. I literally use I just literally use everything. It's just all in one service. I got my AI videos that can be done, and you guys can literally go and buy this entire thing yourself for I think it's like with the upgrades and everything, it's probably like 250, right? So the good thing is too though, you can like buy that for the 250, but a lot of people don't have 250, so they're like, oh damn, I got $250 to just go and invest in this. Plus all the other stuff that go on the back end, and that's just 250 for the script. You got other costs and stuff like that. But yeah, you could have this whole website, and then you can charge your own prices. You can be like, oh, $10 a month, $5 a month, $20 a month, whatever. $20 is a lot better than paying a developer to set it up, paying a developer to fix everything, buying the script, getting everything going, getting the hosting, the domain name, then promoting it. Like so, the average person, they just like, okay, $15. That's a lot more appealing than going through all of those steps, even if they know that you're gonna make money from it, because it's like the cost is just way too high for them. But yeah, that's something like that you can do right there. But yeah, guys, like I said, this is a really simple way that you can make a crap ton of money, um, very quickly. You know, so yeah, go to Craigslist. I would say go to the service. You want to spy a little bit. Go to the service section. See what other people are promoting. Take that what they got right there. Go to their website. Follow it back. See what they're doing. Like that's it. That's pretty much it, guys. Like I said, if you want like the full blown training on this, like I said, you can check the description or whatnot. But do not sleep on drop servicing. This shit is stupid easy, and you don't do anything. You just collect money and essentially just manage. Oh, you know what? I got one for my people out there who made it this far, and you don't have any money whatsoever. All right, so what you do is you're gonna go to websites, and like this is random. You literally just type in random. It could be pet food, a vet. It could be a plumber. It could literally be anything. You just want to go to a bunch of websites, and you just want to find issues with them. Like, okay, well this looks like this. This is broken on this side. This is not working. You're like this isn't loading up properly. Whatever the case may be. And then what you're gonna do is get their hosting details. And as messed up as it sounds, right? So you're gonna get their hosting details from them, and you're literally going to go to the host, like the host service, and you're gonna have them fix it for free. I don't do this anymore or anything like that. But if you're like in a bind, you just like need some like money fast, like you charge them like $50 just for your time to go through and do it, or if the hosting won't fix it, then like charge them like 250 or something like that, and then go to Code Cannon and go through and I mean not Code Cannon. You can go to Fiverr, Upwork, and pay someone literally a couple bucks per hour just to fix the website, or you can pay them $10 an hour. I mean $10 for like just the entire project over on Fiverr. Like there are so many ways you can make money, guys. Like when it comes to this stuff here, you just need to focus on this right here. Everything else is easy. The only thing you need is this. You need to focus on Craigslist, TikTok, and your paid advertising. If you don't have a big budget, focus on Craigslist and TikTok. Ads over on Craigslist are literally $5 or $10. Oh, completely forgot to mention this. Make sure you hire a seller, like a closer on the phone. Like you this one is super important. If you're like doing stuff like this, get a closer. And like, hey, I'll give you like $200 every time you get a close or something like that. And I'll pay you an hourly rate. But yeah, you definitely want, if you're not good at sales, like this right here, terrible. I can't tell you how many $250 calls I fumbled when I first, like on day one when I first started, like, and I was like really trying. I fumbled so many $250 calls. I mean, they knew how much everything was. They knew what the service was. They knew what like everything. They knew everything right out the gate. Essentially, all I had to do was pick up the phone and just take credit card information. That's how easy it should have been. Nope, my shit is terrible over the phone because I don't really close over the phone like that, especially like when it comes to for the service that I was like providing at that time. But yeah, all bad, man. But anyway, don't forget to like, subscribe, smash the notification bell.